first things first, I started selling or trading illegally at the age of 11, if not 12, but I wish, honestly, personally, I wish I could have started at like 4 or 3, yeah. So, and I registered my first business when I was in grade 11. So, me being part of the whole kidpreneur generation, I saw the importance, of, of introducing entrepreneurship to kids, because I think we miss out on an opportunity to find kids with entrepreneurial traits. So, my name is Robert Njali. I'm from BizKids SA. What BizKids SA does is we introduce entrepreneurship to primary age kids. So basically, we're currently dealing with grade 7s. We're currently working with over 180 kids in Alex, and we have different programs designed for these kids. So we have like your entrepreneurship after school program, we have your market days, we also have your biz camps. So we also teach these kids proper pitching skills, and how we get these kids is we work with schools, right? So we link up with schools. They help us with the whole marketing and stuff. So they become the middleman between us and the parents, because it's easier and it gives us credibility, when we work with schools. And how we make money is each and every kid pays for each and every program that they become part of. And yeah, in a nutshell, that's what we do. And yeah, thank you.